What it do, me and Morgan, it's your girl Bianca Shanice, and we are back with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for today's video, we'll be doing my winter night routine. Please stay tuned and keep on watching. So I decided to start my night routine off with my favorite meal, which is salmon bowl. I love to cook my salmon up in bites, and sometimes I like to cook it whole. Not only this is my favorite meal, but it's quick and easy. And I try to spice it up this go round and add some corn along with my cucumbers and rice. And y'all, when I say this meal was a 10 out of 10, it was a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend, and I really enjoyed the Olipop Vintage Cola. I'm not drinking any soda, so this gave me a little Now on to the less fun part, which is cleaning up the kitchen. So I went on and done that after I got finished eating to get it on out of the way. Finally, on to one of my favorite parts of my winter night routine is taking me a nice hot shower, picking out my cute pajamas. And I can't forget this. I do at least try to make sure I do my devotional for the day at night if I don't do it in the morning, or I make sure I follow up on a chapter that I've been studying throughout the day. And one of my favorite shows on, which I'm currently watching Virgin River, y'all. I am almost completely done with Virgin River. If you ever watched it, please drop it down in the comments and let me know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this winter night routine. I do apologize for it being short, but that's what we have. And I will see you guys in another video. Please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.